Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track an object in a video on Capcut. Open up your Capcut and now create a new project with the video. So now select the video. Once you select it, scroll to this bottom menu and you're going to see camera tracking. So now you're going to see camera tracking. So click on it and now select camera tracking once again. Once you select it, you need to select the subject that you want to track. Maybe it's the face, maybe the body, the hand, or a custom tracking. So I'm going to pick the face since we are going to be focusing on the face. And now click on track. It's going to take a few seconds to load and sometimes it might take minutes. So just wait for the process to be completed. And as you can see, the tracking is now complete. It's going to keep the focus on the face. So let's play it for you to see. As you can see, so now, if you don't want to see all this blur or all this black, as you can see all this blur right there or all the black, sometimes it's going to show in black, you can just turn on Fit Canvas. Once you turn on Fit Canvas, you're going to keep the face size. So it must also increase and reduce the face size, so if you want to keep the same face size, you can also do that. As you can see, it has added keyframes for everything. So let's play it. As you can see, this is the result. So it is tracking the face. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.